Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the new Narwhal pet from Roblox Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper. And please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing the horn. Start with a pointed shape here, making the bottom line a bit longer. Now from the top, draw a S-curve down like this. Now hop back up to the top and draw a small curve. And then another S-curve down like this. Continue the horn in the same pattern. For the last section here, close it off with a normal curve across. And then draw a C shape at the base. Let's draw the shape of the body next. Above the horn, draw a curved line to the left and then down. Then at the end, draw another curve up and to the left. Now come back over to the right and below the horn, continue that curve, stopping here. Now add a small bump to the right here. Now continue this line down to the left and back up to close off the shape of the body. Next, let's draw the eye with a large circle here. And then color it in black. Draw the right eye on the side here with a curve and also color it in black. Let's draw the fin next. Draw a curve near the bottom left here. And then another curve under to close off the shape. And then another line inside. Next, starting from the mouth here, draw a line over and back down to the fin. Then continue this line on the other side, curving it upwards. Now let's add the wavy line for the darker pattern on top of the body, like this. Lastly, let's draw the tail. Draw an S-curve here. Then draw two curves over to the left like this. Now close it off with the curve back down to the body. And finally, draw one more curve inside here. And that's it for this cute narwhal pet. Let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.